Welcome to Jay's Daily Pre-Market Briefing for April 23rd, Monday, 2018. Starting off with crude oil today. Crude oil obviously rolled. We got a nice bounce, pretty much to the tick, 67.50. Looking for crude oil to continue up now. So for today, the 3 or 4 key levels you want to be watching. For targets on the upside, obviously 68.42, 68.71, 69.44. In terms of any shorts, that would be the only place I'd really consider a short today is either 69.44 or 68.71, with 69.44 being, I think, the better option. If for some reason we stay below the 68.71 to 68.42 zone, you could continue to look for a short, but the 67.50, that's this key support right now. So until we get back below there, I think the bias has to be to the upside on crude oil. And so looking further out, we're probably back up into the 69s and then up into the 70s. Moving along to the Nasdaq. Nasdaq below our key zone of 67.62 half to 67.10 half. So for today, I'd be looking for shorts off of that zone 10 half to 62 half, with the target in mind being 65, 70, 75. For some reason we do get back above 67, 62 half today, then the first target would be the 68, 77 level on Nasdaq. 6E doing exactly what we anticipated last week. We had the down arrow, anticipating that we'd go down. I just put this up arrow here for today since we've come into that 123.10. I'm actually expecting it to get below 123.10 down into the 122s, 122.46 to 122.28 half would be my target. I'd stick with shorts now. However, if we do get a bounce, then we could end up coming all the way back up to 124.73 half. So just keep that in mind, but bias on the euro for now to the downside. Bitcoin continues to do the up retracement as anticipated. Looks like we've gapped up a little bit here today. So far during Asian session, and so the targets are 93.20 and 95.05 to the upside. Once we get there, I do anticipate a bounce back down, potentially to that 77.90. But for now, in the short term, Bitcoin to the upside with the targets of 93.20 to 95.05. Looking at 6J doing exactly as we anticipated as well, right into our level here, 93.010. And again, I've put this up arrow indicating that we could get a bounce here, but ultimately I'm anticipating that it will go to the 92.48 half to 92.290 zone on 6J. For some reason we didn't, or this 93.010 holds, you can look for a long and be targeting the 94.330 or 94.330 zone to the upside. Moving along to the YM. I'm anticipating we might get a little bit of a pullback today into that 24.121 and then continue to the upside. Bias, generally speaking, is still up on the YM. And finally, moving on to the ES, same thing. I think we've come in and got some support, potential support going here on the ES. So I'd be looking for longs today. Key support will be that 27.75 to 15 quarter zone, and then targets above 26.80 quarter, 27.04 quarter, and 27.40.75. If you are looking for shorts today, I would wait for a retest of the 27.04 quarter before looking for the short side, unless for some reason this 26.80 quarter zone holds. So that's your daily pre-market briefing for Monday, April 23rd, 2018. Trade well, control risk, and we'll see you tomorrow.